Okay, what's happening here?
So, we are going to do a test run of my rocket. We are at this field. We're seeing when those flags are completely still, then we'll launch it. Because if we launch while those flags are still moving, that means the wind's here. And we don't want this blowing over to the soccer building right over there.
Okay. All right, you ready to launch this thing?
Yeah.
All right, let's come hit the button.
Can I hit it?
Yeah, of course. It's your project, isn't it?
Do I hit this button?
Okay, well, you got to push that in until you see red. Do you see red? Push it in.
No.
Do you see red?
Yeah.
Okay, show them red. Show them the red. Push it in.
There it is.
There's the red light. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Let it go!
Did you get that?
Yeah! And there it is. Look at that.
A successful aero landing.
Yeah! Where'd the batteries go? Oh, the parachute didn't even come out. That was awesome!
What was it?
It was awesome. The parachute didn't come out. But either way, it was awesome.